Hello again, hope you're doing great. Connect the Galaxy bot to QuinnX or BingX. This bot links to two exchanges. Once activated, there's a menu, click to start, and it opens. In settings, it initially says connect to exchange. Later, it says change method. Click to see BingX and QuinnX. Both are useful. BingX served Iranians until Ordubehesht 403, accepting new users, but now requires verification. Verified BingX accounts can still be used. If I don't have a BingX account, and I'm just getting to know you, in the settings, it initially says connect to exchange and change method. Click it to see two exchanges, BingX and QuinnX. BingX served Iranians until Ordubehesht 403, accepting new users, but now requires verification and doesn't accept new Iranian users. If you don't have a BingX account, choose QuinnX. It's a well-established exchange without verification issues for Iranians. BingX served Iranians until April 403, accepting new users, but now requires registration and doesn't accept new Iranian users. This is about BingX. Now, sir, I do not have a BingX account. I just met you. I want to. How to use this bot? Choose QuinnX Exchange, a reliable platform without verification issues for Iranians. We have 10,000 to 15,000 users from our previous Telegram bot. Both bots are tested on this exchange and work fine. Important, the Galaxy bot needs a separate exchange account from your manual trades and trades with stars or millionaires. If you connect both bots to the same account, it will cause issues. The automated bot might trade while you manually trade, causing confusion. To avoid this, create a new email and a separate exchange account. For example, if you use arslan@gmail.com for stars, create arslan2@gmail.com for the Galaxy bot. You know the Telegram bot for millionaires? Clicking on it will bring it up. If both bots are connected to the same account, it will cause issues. The automated bot will trade while you manually trade, or if you connect the manual bot, it will mix up. To avoid this, create a new email. It takes 5 minutes. Create a separate exchange account. For example, if you have arslan@gmail.com for stars, create arslan2@gmail.com for the Galaxy bot and connect it to the exchange. I've provided tutorials on connecting to exchanges in the Millionaire bots. In the Millionaire Club bot, I explained connecting to the BingX exchange. Don't worry, your report will be clean. It's worth a new email. Spend 5 minutes creating a new email. We all have many emails. For example, we don't need that one. Create a separate account. For example, Arslan, yourgmail.com for your star, and Arslan, yourgmail.com for your Galaxy robot. And we connect it to the exchange. Setting up the exchange. Tutorials in the Star and Millionaire bots. Link is below. It's a complete guide. In Millionaire Club, I explained connecting to BingX. This is part 2 with a 12 minutes. BingX tutorial below. For Star bot, there's a 17 minutes QuinnX video here. Check any exchange. Tutorials are here. Questions? Ask support for guidance. Once connected, see you in next videos on algorithms, strategies, risk management, and errors. For the Star bot, I made a 17-minute video titled Connecting to QuinnX, and I'll put it here. You can check out whichever tutorial you want. The videos are all here. I'll also include it in the Galaxy product section. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the support team, and they'll guide you. Once you've completed the connection, I'll see you in the next videos where we'll talk about algorithms, strategies, risk management, and errors. Once you've made the connection, I'll see you in the next videos where we'll cover algorithms, strategies, risk management, and errors.